How to fix Google Chrome update errors. So first you want to right click on the taskbar and open the task manager, and then you want to go to services tab, click open services. In here you want to search for Google services. So make sure these three services right here are enabled. So I'm going to click on the first one and set the startup type to automatic and start the service if it's not already running. Click on apply and OK, and do the same for the other services. Google Update Internal and Google Update Service. Start it if it's not running and click on apply and OK, and do the same for the third service. Now, once all of these three services are running, you can close this window. Now you want to make sure Google Chrome is completely closed, so you can open the task manager again and look for Google Chrome and any instances that you find running. Now you will simply look for Chrome again and right click and run as administrator. And once you run it as admin, click on these three vertical dots on the top left or the top right, go to settings, and then you want to go to about Chrome tab. And right here it should check for updates and start updating your Google Chrome. Now this should fix most of your errors while updating. And if for some reason the errors still persist, here's what you can do. First, you want to open the settings, right click on the start bar or start button and click on apps and features. And then here search for Google Chrome and basically uninstall it and perform a fresh install. So after uninstalling and following the prompt to uninstall it, you want to open Microsoft Edge, which is installed by default on Windows. And then you want to search for Google Chrome download. So I want to search for Google Chrome download and then click on the download now link, and it should take you to the download page and should start downloading the Chrome installer. And then simply we'll just run this setup and install Google Chrome again, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.